Hey guys, and welcome to this week's Fab in 5. Today I'm going to be doing my very first Halloween tutorial. So this is going to be a very quick last minute costume Halloween makeup tutorial. If you cannot tell already, I am going to be showing you how to create this Marilyn Monroe inspired makeup look. I have my hair pinned back so it looks like I have short hair. This side's dark though, so we're gonna ignore that. I have blonde short hair now, guys. Also, I did not have a white dress. This was like a very last minute video as well. I thought it like really went with the theme. When you actually take a look, aside from her iconic like white dress, she actually wore a lot of very casual black turtlenecks. And because I didn't have a black turtleneck, this was my next best. So as you can see, Marilyn Monroe has pretty natural brows. So I am going to do the feather technique using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze and my Benefit Brow Micro Filling Pen to create hair-like strokes. I'm now going to prime my face with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I'm just going to rub it in with my fingers and really press it into the skin. I'm now going to take my e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. Marilyn Monroe seems to have very flawless skin, but her foundation really does seem to be on the more natural side. Seeing I have a lot of acne, I am going to use a more full coverage foundation just to make my skin look a little more flawless like hers. This being said, the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream, despite being full coverage, is very natural looking on the skin, so will not look heavy or cakey. I'm now going to use my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Snow to add a little more extra coverage under my eyes. I'm now going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. I have this in the shade One Fair. As you can see, Marilyn does not wear a lot of contour, so I am actually going in with my Bare Minerals bronzer. It's kind of a two-in-one step, bronzer and blush. I'm now going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter as my highlight, as she looks very dewy and highlighted, but very natural. Now for the eyes, I'm first going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm going to lay that all over the lid. She had a very iconic, simple eye look. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here, a soft brown, and we're going to use that as the crease shade. As you can see, she has a very just slightly contoured crease. I'm going to take a smaller brush with a little bit of a darker shade. She typically would take the contour of her eye and follow it straight towards the bridge of her nose, not down to the inner corner of her eye, so we're going to draw that kind of a line. She does have that winged eyeliner, so we're now going to create that mixing black and brown. She actually does create almost like a false shadow underneath her eye. I'm now going to take my smaller shadow brush with a bit of the lighter brown and soften that a little bit. And now I'm going to take this shade. I am going to apply that really precisely on the lower lash line towards the inner corner to really highlight that area. I'm going to be using my Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. This looks like she either has false lashes on or just really nice natural lashes, but not too long or full. So I am going to just be using the Ardell Soft Touch 150 lashes. Next, we're going to create her mole, which is one of her most iconic traits. I am actually just going to use eyeshadow. And last but not least, one of the most iconic parts of Marilyn Monroe's makeup is her red lip. Today we're going to start with the Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in the shade 12 Bordeaux. From all the photos that I've seen, it is a very glossy red lip, so I thought what would be perfect for that is the MAC Love Me Liquid Lip Color in the shade Adore Me, which is a beautiful true red. Okay guys, so that is the finished look of my very quick and easy last minute Marilyn Monroe makeup for Halloween. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.